The Amazon rainforest, covering much of northwestern Brazil and extending into Colombia, Peru, and other South American countries, is the world's largest tropical rainforest, famed for its biodiversity. It's crisscrossed by thousands of rivers, including the powerful Amazon River. This video contains some of the moments when we entered the Brazilian side of this rainforest in 2012. We stayed in the Hotel Ariao Amazon Tower here. The hotel featured as a set in the film Anaconda. The hotel complex was one of the oldest and largest jungle lodges in the Amazon. But the hotel was permanently closed in 2016. We went there in May 2012 when the Negro River level reached record high value. It was flood there. Ground floor of the hotel was submerged underwater. This hotel was situated 60 km northwest of Manaus on the Rio Negro, a major tributary of the Amazon River. The hotel had various tours available within the forest such as canoe walk, jungle walk, and observation of nightlife animals. Piranha fishing. Swimming with pink bottlenose dolphin in the Amazon River. Visit to natives' houses. Far below, there can be seen two rivers, Rio Negro and Solimões have met up to form the mighty Amazon River. But they do not mix together initially. These two rivers have maintained their individuality. Dark Rio Negro and pale sandy colored Solimões River at Manaus, Brazil run side by side for a length of more than 4 miles without mixing. Some of the animals and birds that we could capture in the Amazon. Sloth bear, howler monkey, macaws and various breeds of native and non-native monkeys are common around the tower.